Problem 21. Because at least half of the numbers are guessed too low, therefore the number should be larger than 36. And because two of the numbers are off by 1, therefore the difference between the two numbers should be 2. In the series of numbers 36 and 38 are off by 2, therefore the age should be 37, and 37 is a prime number, so the answer is C. Problem 22. To solve this problem, let's study the patterns of the exponentials of 7. 7 to the power of 1 equals 7, and 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. That's power of 2. And 7 to the power of 3, that's 343. And 7 to the power of 4, we multiply 7 again. That equals 2401. And 7 to the power of 5, and we don't need to pay attention to the previous numbers in here. We just need to pay attention to the last two numbers, and it becomes 7 again. So from now on, it's going to repeat the previous 4 powers. So we use 2011 to divide 4. It equals 502, and the remainder is 3. Therefore, the pattern should be the same as when it's 7 to the power of 3. So the last two digits should be 43, and the 10th digit should be 4. The answer is D. Problem 23. Because the 4-digit integer is a multiple of 5, so it has to end with 5 or 0. And the 4 digits are equal or less than 5. So let's assume it ends with 5. The first 3 numbers can be chosen from 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. But the first number has to come from 1 to 4. So the first number, we can have 4 choices. And after we choose one number from 1 to 4, then the hundredth position, we will have 4 numbers left. So that's again 4 choices. And then the 10th position, we have 3 numbers left. So that's 3 choices. And this equals 48 total choices. And if the number ends with 0, then because the number has to have 5 in one of the digits, so in the first three position, 1 has to be 5. That's 3 choices. And then for the rest of the 2 positions, we can choose from numbers 1 through 4. That's 4 choice for the second position, whichever you choose to fill first. And then after that, from 1 to 4, there are 3 numbers left. So the last position is 3 choices. So that gives us 36 choices in this case. 48 plus 36 equals 84 total choices. Therefore, the answer is D. Problem 24. Because 10,001 is an odd number, so if it's a sum of two numbers, one of the number has to be an even number. And out of all the prime numbers, only 2 is an even number. So let's write that into 10,001 equals 2 plus 9,999. And we can see that this number is divisible by 9 and 3. So it's not a prime number. Therefore, 10,001 can't be written as the sum of two prime numbers. The answer is A. Problem 25. Because the circle's radius is 1, so the length of the larger square equals 2, and the area of the circle equals pi r squared equals pi. It's approximately 3.14. And because if we fold the four corners of the larger square to the center, it will equal the area of the smaller square. So the smaller square small, its area equals the larger square divided 2, and the larger square is L squared divided 2 equals 2. Therefore, the ratio of the circle's shaded area to the area between the two squares should be pi r squared subtract SS divide SL subtract SS. That equals 3.14 subtract 2 subtract 4 divide by 4 subtract 2, and that's approximately 1/2. The answer is A.